So maybe you can share a little bit just about like how important using the data is, and where you're able to see, some unique lead generation activity coming from.
Sure. So this year we spent a lot of time and effort and investment in tying together our ERP system and our CRM. So we worked with the MoreViz team to make sure that our UTM terms were tying into our CRM. So then when we get our leads come through, we can see exactly where they're coming from and adjust any of the campaigns along the way. So in the past 2 months, we've definitely seen some inquiries come in through ChatGPT, which has been new and exciting, and kind of running operations and marketing and accounting, all different aspects. I love to see when they come in and it works. So I get really excited, and I immediately called the prospect, and I talked him through his application and worked with him on a plan for some samples. But then I said, I noticed you came in through ChatGPT. Can you tell me about that experience? So he was very willing to share, and it was great. So he used deep research, and he uploaded his drawing, all of his specifications. It's for a medical device. He had some ISO 1345 requirements, some different packaging requirements, clean room, and he gave the agent 2 hours to come up with a list of 10 vendors that could help. So for me, when I heard that, I was like, that it just seems so opposite of what we've been used to for so long of, people want answers in 30 seconds and they want to buy something. So that was really interesting. And then he got a list of 10 different die cutters, and he ended up choosing the one that was physically closest. So we're in Sutton, Massachusetts. He was in Northern Massachusetts, and he said, I called you guys first and you called me back. So that was really interesting to learn about. And so now the challenge is, how do we show up for those people that are searching in ways that are so in depth, instead of just a keyword of rubber gaskets or PTFE vent? They're searching a very extensive paragraph of what they're looking for. So now trying to backtrack through that has been interesting.